Hi there, I'm May and today I want to show you how I did this single color trend using alcohol markers. I also included some tips to do this easier and to make sure that we have fun in the process. But before we start, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video to help me grow my channel. Thanks for your help! The first step is to decide which markers to use. So I swatched several blue Ohuhu markers. I will be using only Ohuhu markers. And this is the last swatch that I decided on. So that's from lightest to darkest. And these are the colors that I chose. For the lightest color, I'm using turquoise blue. And this is for the areas where the light falls from the window or the light shines from the window. And at that time, this was the lightest color that I have, but I really wanted something lighter. And so later on, I colored over some of the areas using a white color pencil. Let me show you. This is the Prismacolor Primero or Primero. This is a Prismacolor Primero, which is white, and I only bought this pencil because I saw a video recommending it. And so I use this white pencil to color over the window, outside the window, and on some highlight areas on the turquoise blue to make it pop out even more. And for shadows on that area, shadows on the highlight areas, I used this one. This is pastel blue. And this is also the same color that I used for areas that are facing the window but not directly under the light. So that's pastel blue. And for shadows in the pastel blue areas, I used cerulean blue, which is this one. And also this one. So I have two cerulean blue pens. So I use this as shadows in the pastel blue areas and also in areas that are facing away from the window. So that's turquoise blue, pastel blue, cerulean blue. Next one is sapphire. This is sapphire blue, and I use this as shadows in the cerulean blue areas, like the shadows under the car and here at the backside of the hood and here also on the tires and the other darker areas. And for the darkest areas, I used Prussian blue. This is from the art marker set. So Prussian blue, and that's the very darkest one. Although I think this one is displaced, but that's okay. My first tip is to choose your markers and make a final set of markers before starting to color the page. And before you start, remember to put a sheet of paper under this page and also the plastic sheets that came with the Ohuhu markers. There, remember to put this under the page or else this will happen to you. So again, learn from my mistake. Don't let this happen. I was too excited to start coloring that I forgot to put the read-through sheet and the plastic sheet. So, well, it is what it is. So let's go through the coloring process. I started by using turquoise in areas where I think the light from the window will shine on. And then I colored the areas next to it with pastel blue and used cerulean blue on shadows or areas facing away from the light. My third tip is to color the lighter areas first. This way, it will be easy to correct any mistake by coloring over it with a darker pen, as I have done several times. Another tip is to avoid using a lighter color on top of a darker one. The alcohol in the lighter color might move the darker pigment and create splotches on your page. After coloring half of the page, I used sapphire blue to add darker shadows under the car and other places. I wanted to have more contrast, so I colored over some of the lighter blues, but I did that off camera. I also used pastel to put shadows in the highlight areas, and the rest of the page was finished on the second day. My next tip is to use a white pencil over the highlight areas to make it lighter and create more contrast. For my last tip, relax and enjoy the process. I wasn't very accurate when placing the shadows, and that's okay. It's better to have fun than sweat over the small stuff. So every now and then, I would remind myself that I am doing this coloring page to relax and have fun. And so just enjoy the process and treat it also as a learning experience. And so here is the final result. I had a lot of fun coloring this page. I'm really happy with the result. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks and see you in the next one. Bye!